She stepped into a world louder than her voice, but quieter than her silence. The room was new, but loneliness wasn't. They whispered behind her, laughed beside her. She heard it all and said nothing. In the library, silence felt safe. Books never judged her. She remembered the fields, the warm voice of her father, a time when silence was peace. Until that day, when peace was shattered by voices shouting lies. She sat with that silence, night after night, alone. Even her dreams were loud. The past never left her. But kindness has a way of knocking softly and offering chai. She walked alone, but something was shifting quietly. Voices demanded justice. Placards rose. Alia watched, like always. A paper with praise, and Endau petite, but praise couldn't touch her silence. Join us, Sana smiled. Alia almost said yes. Salim swept the floors with pride, until pride was stolen. Two boys laughed over a stolen wallet, and Alia stood in the doorway, still. Salim was accused. Words flew. She stood, silent. She found the quietest place in campus, herself. And her father's voice came back. No one stood up for me. Fatima's voice trembled on stage. Laughter followed her off it. The boys posted the clip. The world laughed. Alia didn't. Fatima cried in a bathroom stall, and Alia heard everything. She raised her hand to knock, then dropped it again. You see everything, Sana whispered, but say nothing. In the mirror, she saw someone she no longer recognized. The corridor buzzed with voices. She walked through them, focused. She entered the room, not to sit, but to speak. And she did. For the first time, her voice cracked, but didn't break. The professor didn't say a word. His tears did. She filed the complaint, with steady hands and an unshaking gaze. Salim returned to his broom, and to dignity. On stage, under lights, in a robe of honor, she stood again.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.